Now that was competitive. But we've got something even more competitive to show you today. Yes, Scania are back in the single-deck bus market after 10 years with something sharp, strong, and agile. A brand new, from the ground up, future-proofed, complete Scania solution. Ladies, gentlemen, meet the new podium player, the Scania Fencer.
Strength and agility. Performance, style, clinical efficiency. Challenging anything that comes against. Meet the all-new Scania Fencer. The single-deck bus with a winning combination of contemporary looks, future-proofed specification and renowned Scania build quality. If you're looking for the ultimate single-deck solution, the Scania Fencer is the clear winner.
And here it is, the all-new Scania Fencer. At Scania, we've been building buses and have been launching exciting new models for over a century. And this launch is right up there with the very best of them. And what a time to be launching as the UK government sets out its ambition to drive a modal shift from the car to the bus to reduce congestion and lower carbon dioxide emissions in line with the UK climate targets. But there's so much more to tell you about the Scania Fencer, and I've got some very excited colleagues here today raring to give you all the news. So let's get straight into the detail and let me hand over to Martin West, who leads our bus and coach business here in the UK.
Let me just say that in 27 years of working with Scania and our bus and coach customers, I've never been so excited about a product launch before. Today is not only the launch of the Fencer range of models, it's also our first new UK spec single deck in 10 years. And the reason we're so excited is because we believe the product and the technology comes at the perfect time to meet the needs of our customers right now and for years to come. The Fencer is a brand new, ground-up, bespoke, engineered bus platform that has been designed from the outset as a future-proofed solution. Everything that you need in one platform from one supplier, Scania. And today, we reveal the first model in our Fencer range, the outstanding single-deck Scania Fencer F1. But stay tuned for some major exclusives a little later from the team. But before we get into the detail of the most modern bus we've ever built, as Vin mentioned, Scania has a long pedigree when it comes to bus manufacturing, going back over 100 years since that first Scania Vabis was hand-built in 1911. But did you know that the first operational Scania bus to land in the UK was in 1971? So at this launch today, we're celebrating the important anniversary, which is 50 years since this first Scania bus hit the road. And today, we're proud to have the opportunity to have with us in the metal that exact product. The oldest surviving UK bus, the glorious Metro Scania BR111MH, which first entered operation with Leicester City Transport in March 1971. This bus with us today is still operational, proof that the legendary strength of the Scania chassis does indeed stand the harshest tests of time. So, 50 years on, it's a poignant moment to introduce our latest product and show just how far things have progressed over those years. The Scania Fencer range, being completely new this year, is bang up to date and truly the perfect bus platform for today's environment. But the best part about our brand new platform is the availability of various body options and multiple drivetrain and renewable fuel options, making the Scania Fencer range the perfect bus for the future. Here to dive deeper into the detail of our first Scania Fencer model to market, the F1, is our UK Bus and Coach Fleet Sales Manager, Mark Oliver.
Thanks, Martin. It's my pleasure to walk you through the amazing spec of the stunning new single-deck Scania Fencer F1. Firstly, let's talk about the bodywork. Whilst on show today, we can reveal the thoroughly modern design of the single-deck F1 format. I'm genuinely excited to reveal that we will have a complete range of models available to offer in the near future, which will include a brand new articulated variant, the Scania Fencer F18, and a brand new double-decker, the Scania Fencer F9. What we're launching today is a very serious and complete range of passenger transport options, entering the UK market from 2021, which means all bus operators can benefit from the full range in the near future. So, the single-deck demonstrator we have here today is the world's first Scania Fencer F1, which will showcase just how good the body and interior features really are. And this particular model is available in 10.9 through to 12.2 meters and available to order to your bespoke specification right now. If we take a look inside the Fencer, firstly, the all-important driver's area. There's an adjustable steering panel, creating driver comfort, ergonomically designed, so it's all within arm's reach and making the driver's job effortless. Taking you further inside the bus, as you can see, we've designed the interior to be thoroughly modern, spacious and light. The full LED lighting creates a stylish and relaxing atmosphere when inside the bus, and on the outside, things look just as appealing. The Scania Fencer delivers innovation and a contemporary design with its stylish LED lights, natural flowing lines, giving an outside curb appeal to attract those prospective customers out of their cars and onto the bus. And the great news is the Fencer can be customised both inside and out to meet your bespoke needs and ultimately the passenger's requirements. But it's not all form over function with the Fencer. We've given easy access to service points, effortless to replace exterior panels, which all adds up to maximised uptime. The in-house modular chassis development means all major components are under Scania's direct control. The Scania Fencer is a fully integrated product and enhances drivability, performance and fuel consumption while maintaining the reliability and longevity associated with Scania. So now, onto the famous and much loved Scania drivetrain. I'd like to pass to our head of pre-sales technical, Phil Rutham, to take you through what's powering our new range and deliver another exclusive. Phil.
Thanks, Mark. Let me get straight to the point with the essential details of the hugely important diesel drivetrain available across the Scania Fencer range. I can confirm today the introduction of a brand new, less complex variant of our famous 9-litre diesel engine. Now with its SCR-only technology, it exceeds the stringent Euro 6 Step E emissions level, and the fixed geometry turbo offers improved fuel consumption and reduces emissions and noise. This is an important announcement as it confirms the availability of the long-awaited next-generation diesel drivetrain in the all-new Fencer range from launch. As for the Fencer's gearbox, we have the outstanding and popular ZF EcoLife 2 automatic, offering fast and smooth shifting with a new unloaded starting feature, which delivers enhanced passenger comfort by reducing noise, improving starting performance, and giving it a superb and consistent acceleration. The ZF EcoLife 2 is perfectly designed to match Scania's engine range, delivering significant fuel savings and improving the total operating economy over the whole life of the vehicle. But having the best diesel drivetrain on the market is only part of the story. I am pleased to reveal the Fencer range will be available with an outstanding choice of powertrain technologies supporting an array of renewable fuels. All diesel engines can operate on HVO straight from the factory. Gas solutions support biogas in both compressed and liquefied form. Moving towards the electrified range, we can also offer hybrid technologies. And now for another exclusive. The Scania Fencer will have Scania's 100% battery electric powertrain available to order this year. The new C chassis will allow for an 8 or 10 battery pack setup with a host of mechanical revisions, new electrics and new ECUs, new independent front suspension and a new rigid front axle, offering improvements in passenger load capacity, turning radius and increased comfort and aisle width. Scania's development engineers have created a new battery electric platform, which I'm proud to confirm is Scania technology from end to end. That's Scania battery, which will power Scania's own 300 kilowatt electric motor and Scania's own 2-speed gearbox. This is a fully integrated Scania chassis that has been climatically tested in city, interurban and pure urban environments to ensure our fully electric chassis will deliver what's required for zero-emission transport as it expands beyond the city into interurban environments. So you can see why we're all so excited about this launch. With this outstanding choice of powertrains, a complete range of bodies, the Scania Fencer range is future-proofed solution for all operation types. To talk more about the build process and our special relationship with Higer, I'll hand you back to Martin.
The Scania Fencer is a result of several years of research, design and engineering by an outstanding team, with our Scania engineers in Sweden working in tandem with our colleagues at Higer in China. This collaboration is a 15-year strong partnership where the joint Scania-Higer products, such as this all-new Fencer and the very successful touring coach, have all been built to full Scania production process, which delivers all of the quality attributes that you would expect from a company with the prestige of Scania. Here's a short film from our friend Mr. Leo Zhang from Scania Higer, talking about the new Fencer we're launching today.
Fencer family is based on the cooperation between Scania and Higer since 2007, which the cooperation has been most successful in Chinese bus industry. Both the company are very proud of that. Fencer family is inspired from facing sports, which present passion, brave, enthusiasm, and success. That's also our expectation from the new product family. Fencer family includes F1, represent a city segment. That is today we will officially be launched in UK. Options for diesel, CNG, and electrification. Available right-hand drive and left-hand drive. F6 represent intercity and school application. Current options for diesel and CNG, right-hand drive and left-hand drive option also. F8 represent coach, F9 represent double-decker. These two will be developed according to the plan. The whole Fencer family developed in modular thinking and produced by parallel flow, which will have a big advantage in the lead time, efficiency, and quality control. Hereby, I'd like to take the chance to thank our Scania UK sales team, headed by Martin. Thank you for the hard work and support. I strongly believe Fencer family will take the cooperation in a further and beautiful future.
At Scania, we appreciate that one of the utterly essential aspects of choosing who to buy your vehicles from is the supplier's focus on sustainable business practices. At Scania, we couldn't be more genuine about minimising our future impact, and we call this strategic focus driving the shift. We recognise the global impact our industry has when it comes to climate change and how important our contribution needs to be if we want to help limit global warming to a maximum of 2 degrees as per the Paris Agreement in 2015. And in turn, we are fully aligned with the UK government's ambitions to be net zero by 2050. Scania is currently the only heavy commercial vehicle manufacturer with an approved science-based target, the mechanism by which we set and track our progress towards significantly cutting emissions. It's something we're proud of, and it's already driving meaningful change within our business. Scania's targets fall into 3 areas: Scopes 1, 2 and 3. Scope 1 is our focus on reducing the emissions that we can control ourselves, such as in our production plants and in our logistics and vehicles. Scope 2 is our focus on what type of electricity or heat that we purchase to power our facilities, including our head office and our dealer network. And Scope 3 is about our vehicles in service. So it's about us helping you to reduce emissions in your day-to-day operations. And this scope is measured on a well-to-wheel basis. I'm particularly proud that our Scope 3 target has been assessed to be aligned with the most ambitious decarbonisation scenario developed by the initiative. In total, Scopes 1 and 2 seek to reduce our emissions by 50%, and Scope 3 seeks to support us in reducing your emissions by 20%, both by 2025. The Scania Fencer will contribute significantly towards us achieving our science-based targets. It helps Scania and our customers deliver a truly sustainable solution by being a product that's both produced responsibly and available in a wide range of fueling options, both here and now and for the future. Now over to Mark to talk to you about how we provide that famous Scania support service to our customers day in, day out.
Thank you, Tanya. Like the rest of my colleagues, I'm really excited by what the Scania Fencer means to the UK bus market, and I'm very happy to be here for this unveiling of a great product. But of course, the product is only part of the story. The support backup is hugely important too. And with Scania, our famous service levels complete what is often the missing piece of the jigsaw when it comes to choosing the right partner. Our bus and coach team at Scania is quite simply unbeatable in terms of parts and service solutions, technical support, and roadside assistance. And of course, our friendly and genuinely caring service team. We have outstanding national coverage from our 84 strategically located dealers with 4 body shops, but that alone isn't enough for Scania. Our commitment to this launch is the enhanced investment into 20 of these dealers that will take service levels for this unique industry to the next level, bringing together specialist tooling, training, parts stock, and advanced service and repair capability for the whole rolling fleet. From the drivetrain to replacement glass to air conditioning and all electricals, a complete solution from one partner, Scania. So, not only is the Scania Fencer ready to drive on the road, we're ready to back up this brand new product with fully stocked parts departments with both Scania and Higer components. Our training centre is rolling out an exciting training plan to ensure our network are ready and equipped to deal with all the variants this launch will bring. What's more, we appreciate every operation is unique, so we'll be tailoring our support to match your precise needs, ensuring maximum uptime and increased productivity at the levels you require for your business. I believe one of the reasons why our customers stay with us so long is that we have a great team with great ethics who genuinely care about doing the right thing. Put simply, when you invest in Scania, you invest in a family that cares for you as much as you care for your customers.
As you can see, there's a lot of focus on bringing the pieces of this jigsaw together. A great product, an outstanding support package, and a genuine roadmap to a net zero future. And this is all possible because we have the full commercial backing from the highest level of our global organisation. Let me introduce our final video of this launch to you, a short opinion about the importance of the Fencer range to Scania from our Global Executive Vice President of Sales and Marketing, Alexander Vlaskamp.
Scania's global success in the bus and coach business is founded in the strong partnerships we foster with many bodybuilders around various regions on the globe. This is an integral part of our bus and coach strategy. These partnerships have been developed and defined over the years. They are anchored by mutual interest to serve our customer demands on products and services, and of course also are driven by daily cooperation of our teams. One of our strategic global partnerships is with Higer from China. Together we have step by step built and developed our partnership, including a dedicated production facility for Scania Higer products in Suzhou, China, which underlines the mutual interest and long-term commitment from both companies. The strategic cooperation between Higer and Scania has been an exciting journey that started around 15 years ago. Along that journey, we have learned a lot from each other, and we have a very fruitful and rewarding partnership. Now it's time to take the next step together when launching a new product range, the Scania Fencer. Within Scania buses and coaches, we are very proud to be part of this launch, since we are convinced that this product will meet the highly set expectations on our product and services offered. Expectations from both our customers and also from passengers around the world. With this new Scania Fencer range in our offer, we will strengthen our position in the market and keep driving the shift towards a sustainable transport system. Public transport is and will remain one of the most important elements of solving several of our society's challenges, such as city congestions and emissions.
And that just about wraps up this exciting all-new Scania Fencer range launch.
Exciting indeed, Vin. A complete new range that's not only sharp, strong and agile, but one that really points to the future.
It's the perfect bus and at the perfect strategic moment for the UK market, and it will encourage more passenger journeys by bus as things return to normal after a very difficult year.
So, Vin, can we have a go?
I think we leave the fencing to the professionals. How about I drive you home in the all-new Scania Fencer? Thanks for watching.